Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a penguin face. So here you can see that I'm using my black pen. Here's a big heart shape. Now I'm drawing its eyes. Let's connect them. To connect from here, I'm using my pencil. Let's draw some tiny rectangles. Okay, I'm using my brown pen to complete its face. Here are some brown dots. Let's make some yellow dots. It's fun, right? So now let's make some orange dots. I'm using my black marker pen. Wow, it's looking amazing! Thank you so much for watching.